Today we're going to talk about a religion that says we're all one and that everything is God. Of course, this is Hinduism, specifically a school within Hinduism known as Advaita Vedanta. Now Advaita literally means non-dual or not two, while Vedanta literally means the end of the Vedas. And it refers to a set of 3,000 to 2,000-year-old Sanskrit philosophical text known as the Upanishads, which Advaita Vedanta bases its teachings on. Now, as the name implies, non-duality or oneness is the essential teaching of Advaita Vedanta. More specifically, the non-duality between God and the world, and the non-duality between God and the self. The first teaching says that the entire world is an appearance or a seeming within an attributeless, non-dual consciousness called Brahman. And Brahman's nature is known as Sat Chit Ananda, which means pure being, pure consciousness, and bliss. According to Advaita Vedanta, Brahman alone is real. Only God exists, and the world is an illusion of God, known as Maya. The world is also the Leela of God, or the divine play or activity of this pure, blissful, non-dual consciousness. In philosophy, this is known as monistic idealism, and it basically says that there's only one consciousness, and everything is just experiential activity arising within this consciousness. Secondly, for the non-duality of God and the self, Advaita Vedanta teaches that Brahman, whose nature is pure being, pure consciousness, and bliss, is the same as Atman, the central self of all conscious beings. Now, this is not the personal self, or ego. It is the self that is the knower, the witness, or the observer of the ego, otherwise known as pure consciousness or awareness. In this way, a Vedanta might say to a traditional religious believer that they are looking for God, which is the problem, because God is the one that is looking. It is the unobserved observer. As Alan Watts once said, the universe is the game of the self, which plays hide and seek forever and ever.